Okay, now let's write a program to find the area of the triangle given the length of the three sides. Okay, so let's start a new file. Okay, remember comments to find the area of the triangle given three sides. Okay, so now as usual, hash include iostream.h, hash include um, iostream.h, conio.h, void main, opening brace, closing brace. Okay, now the lengths could go into decimals, so we'll use a float, side 1, side 2, side 3, and uh, we would require the the average of the three sides, sorry, not the average, but the sum of the sides divided by 2, so that we will store it in S, and we would require area. Okay, clear screen, see out. So now enter the length of the three sides. Okay, so semicolon, C in S, side 1, side 2, side 3. Now S will be equal to S side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3, side 1 side 2 divided by 2, and then we calculate the area. Now we need to calculate the square root of a complicated number. That number is going to be given by the formula S into side, not side, S minus side 1 into S minus side 2, okay, into S minus side 3. Now we need the square root of this. Now there is we might have to write a very complicated code to calculate the square root, but fortunately for us, a function is already provided called sqrt, which will calculate the square root of the number that is evaluated by this formula. Okay, but this square root is not there in iostream, it is not there in conio.h, it is there in math.h, so we need to include it so that it is, that particular square root function is available to us. Okay, now area has been calculated, so we need to display the area is equal to area and we need to go to the next line. So backslash n and get ch for it to wait for us. Okay, now let's run this program. Okay, there are some errors. So what's the error? Now many times what will happen is the line on which it gives the error is actually not the error. The error might be on the previous line also. Yes, we have missed the semicolon, and here also we have missed the semicolon. So now let's run it again. Error. Now it says function call missing closing bracket. So now we need to make sure that it is coming properly. So 1 2 3 4 5 opening brackets and 1 2 3 4 closing brackets. So which means we need to reduce 1. Now let's see. Yes, now we need to provide the lengths of the 3 sides. So let's say 3 4 and 5. So area is 6. Of course, appropriate units are applicable. So let's say if it is 3 meters, 4 meters and 5 meters, then the area would be 6 square meters. Okay, let's try it once more. Let's give it as 5 3 and 6. 7.48331 is the area. Okay, now let's save the file. Let's go back up, go to source, and here let's name it as area of triangle. Say okay, then quit.